Yeah, we played a terrible first half. The intensity of San Miguel was there from the start. We were very frustrated. We weren't coming down on defense. Junmar was manhandling our guys. I think the third quarter we played much better. We played more with a point of emphasis, more intensity, better defense. We allowed them to make 3, 4, 5 passes, not just one pass layup, one pass three, one pass ILO, right? But you credit San Miguel, that's why they are San Miguel, right? Pagdating ng fourth, they abused us inside. And then when they abused us inside and we tried to double, they made their threes, right? I think Coach Nena tried to go small ball in the end, but we got beaten also with offensive rebounds. Yeah. We know San Miguel's good. This is just one game. We're looking to improve. We have a game against Phoenix. We take care of that. We go 3-1, right? Make no mistake about it. We may be the champions here in the All Filipino, but San Miguel, there are a lot of deep teams, Ginebra, Converge, Rain or Shine. So, we're always learning, always growing. I don't think we were at our best today. I think we were okay for maybe a quarter and a half.
Coach, na-mention mo na si Kurt Clayson in the past post-game interview, but anything to say about what he did, especially that
He was part of our run, so you can see some of our young guys, right? But he's just one part of what we do. So I like his toughness, his shot selection, he still has to improve, but we got back in the game mostly because of that group and Kurt Racing's back that group. I just thought our bigs got beaten up today, all around. That's why Junmar is, probably pound for pound the best player ever, right? But we shouldn't allow that. It should be harder, and that's why he is, right? So he dominates in the side, crack the double. They surround him with good shooters, right? But no way were we bringing our A game today. We weren't at our best.
Coach, can you talk about